I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a site. First, clearly define your website's purpose and who you want to reach. This initial step is crucial for guiding all subsequent decisions. Next, choose a domain name that is both memorable and relevant to your brand. Finally, select a web hosting provider that offers good performance and customer support. These foundational choices will set your site up for success. Now, let's get to building. Decide whether to use a website builder like Squarespace or a content management system such as WordPress. Each has unique benefits depending on your technical skill and needs. Focus on designing an intuitive layout and appealing visuals to enhance user experience. Then, populate your site with high-quality, engaging content that truly speaks to your audience. This is where your site comes alive. Once your site is taking shape, integrate essential features such as contact forms, image galleries, or e-commerce functionalities if needed. Next, focus on search engine optimization, or SEO, to help people find your site through search engines. This involves using relevant keywords and creating quality content. Also, make sure your website is fully mobile responsive, providing a seamless experience across all devices, from desktops to smartphones. Before launching, rigorously test every aspect of your website to catch any errors or broken links. Once live, remember that setting up a site is an ongoing process. Regularly update your content and software to maintain security and optimal performance. For those who love to read, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite mentioned in the description, along with other great deals. Consistent maintenance ensures your site remains fresh, secure, and engaging for your visitors over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.